So you may have seen my part 1 video where I was working on a 1979 Swisher. Well, this is part 2. So sitting next to it, since what looks to be 2011, is this 1999 Sea-Doo 900 STX. So same thing with the Swisher, we're going to see if we can get this thing running for them. So I'm going to start out with, just like the other one, putting some Marvel's Mystery Oil down the cylinders. So I'll bring you back in once I've done that and take a look at the spark plugs. Stay tuned. Alright, I got all the plugs out and got some Marvel Mystery Oil in there, and these plugs all look pretty good, no signs of corrosion and a little bit wet yet, so this one might fire right off. So what I'm going to do is look to grease up the impeller shaft and everything, and then go grab a battery and throw it in, and we'll see if we can get it to turn over. I am going to check the gas though to see how bad that is, so stay tuned on that. Well guys, we got some gas out of there, and it really doesn't look terrible. It's a little on the yeller side, but not terrible. Now it is a little cloudy because there was some water in this bucket, but I'm thinking I'm just going to siphon out what I can and then dump some fresh in there, and we should be good to go on that end. Alright, we put in about 5 gallons of fresh gas, threw in a battery, so we're going to see if we can give it a test start here. So let's see what happens.
Give it some throttle and try.
Alright, we're going to go ahead and give her a check for spark just to make sure, and then we'll try her again. Alright, we got spark on all 3 cylinders, so I took the plugs out, cleaned out the cylinders from the Marvel Mystery Oil, sprayed off the plugs, and put a little premix down the holes, so we'll give her another shot here. Alright, we got a runner.
Hopefully that's it.
Yeah, it just needs a little warming up. Sounds pretty good so far.